This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne Powell. View this one first centrally located to military installations beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse style condo with attached garage. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, downstairs primary suite. 2 bedrooms on the second floor. Primary suite has vaulted ceilings, dual vanity and walk-in closet, and a jetted tub. Large kitchen and tile backsplash. All appliances convey, washer and dryer convey. Located in Battery Park at Towne Square in Virginia Beach. Association has a clubhouse, exercise room, pool and playgrounds. Near Town Center, Interstate, shopping and restaurants. May 6, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne Powell at 7